Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. I've been shopping again. Right, this is a review on the Adman Grandstand model 4600. Now, if you're a regular to the channel, you'll know that I've got three 3000 series, a 2600 Mark III, I think it is, a 3600, as well as getting the new one, the one donated from Chris the other day. This is the 4600. Now they all kind of vary a little bit all the time, but this is what caught me out on this one. Is one, it's got not a bad box. I think I've actually done that little rip there, but I can't. Well, I'm too clumsy anyway. But secondly, it comes with a rifle. Now I love getting these ones because they look like they've never ever been used. It's already got polystyrene, full decent box. So full instructions for the 4600. I mean, I think I'm gonna start being the unofficial collector of these because they're just all variations on a theme of Pong, but some of these are absolutely in stunning condition. These original bags, original polystyrene. You just don't get that. They're all just either loose or they're knackered, or a piece of polystyrene fall off. Which can't know anything about that. So let's have just a quick look at the gun to start with. There's a bit in there. I'm guessing this isn't the original, but it does kind of fit rather well. Okay. Now I'm confused. So first time, let's get ourselves the book out. So we have, with the gun side, the pistol, so you put the small barrel in for the pistol. Okay, and then the longer one for the rifle. But the book goes on as well, so it's actually 2-in-1. Oh, cool. So that goes in, unscrews the plastic a little. Now for a line the sights up, yeah. It's even got a silver trigger there. I don't think that unfastens, don't know what that is. Looks like somebody might have had a quick go at trying to get into that bit there anyway, but yeah. So pistol wise, I've got another one with another pistol anyway, but I'm not looking for that one just yet. Ah, that comes off. That didn't want to come off. So instead of having a massively long pistol, I'm having that on the even longer on the end. Actually, you probably could. Yeah, that's just being silly. I think this bit goes in there, maybe for the small or large. Just gives you a little extra on the gun wise there. Put the butt on. Right, does it go that way or that way? Apparently it goes that way. Let's undo the screw. See, this is all 1970s garb gubbins and whatever for doing this. So, I know what that marks on the back are now. So there's two little tabs there. Must go in there and... Come on, you know you want them. I can't see kids doing this. This is probably why it's never been out of the packet. Alright, let's put an angle. There we go, in. And there you go. That's why the whole thing's like that. So, for a gun, it's not bad. I mean, yeah, you could easily just, if you so wanted to as a kid, cut the cable off and pretend playing war with this. I'd love a gun like this. It's very light as well. There's not much weight in there. You couldn't really knock your mates out with that anyway. But yeah, that's really good for the age. It's absolutely almost bloody immaculate. It's right good. I'm not entirely sure that screw's meant to be there. Just looks a little bit out in place. Silver or the rest of them are black. But anyway, onto the console. look at that. They're starting off with all the red ones. Oh my god, that feels like they've never used it. That feels so solid. Practice, squash, soccer, tennis, SI or SL target. SL target. And then M target. Oh, that's a reset button. I'm going to say that doesn't work right. Power on and off. Now, I haven't got a 9-volt. Actually, I didn't come with a 9-volt. So, let's get me a... Hold on. Oh. Jesus, that's not even been... Apart from that peeling off there, it's never been used. Look at it, it's... 1, 2... They changed the configuration for 6 to get 9 volts, but... That's ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculously good. It's so... Rifle pistol goes on the side. Ah, hello. That's quite good. These click into place. And that's a better idea than having just sat on the side. And a little bit of a spring bit there. He says, well, one of them doesn't come off. That did. Unless it just slides off. No, it just pulls out. They always make these so they do fit into place like they're meant to be on the console. So what I need to do is find 9 volts, pause the video, get back to you to see if this thing actually works. I've got this thing plugged in, there's a buzz-in from the transform, but there's a comparison between this. This is the 2600 Mark II. I'm guessing this is the original Mark 1, whatever it is, but very similar sort of layout. If you've not watched any of the videos before, very similar on-off switch, manual auto, amateur professional, yeah, amateur professional, same layout again. Ball speed, ball angle, speed, size, game reset, which this doesn't have. It does, button. And the power. Serve is on both buttons. Select goes between A, B, AC, well yeah, between these two switches here, but relatively the same thing, except I don't know why this won't, why you've got these bits. Now that clicks, but that one doesn't. It seems like that might be a little bit loose underneath it. But I have got the screen working. This all works lovely. So let's press, I mean it's not perfectly on capture there, but tough. Mind the cable there. Right. Wrong side. There we go. Serve. This is practice. There's no juddering at all. I wouldn't expect the picture being better than this. So it's got a squash. So you've got 2 players there. It's really, I need to get a zoom out on this, don't I? Now, let's try and take it off the stand. And off. Right. There we go, that's better. And serve. Ah, I've gone through that one. These are obviously 2-player games. Let's go for soccer. Yoo-hoo! Tennis is kind of like the first game on all of these. Bite. It really isn't that difficult. There we go. Ah, no. There we go. Oh, damn it. See, now you can get it stuck in that loop now. Woohoo! Until you press your angle. There you go. Actually. Right. Your target. Right, I can't use this on here. Press serve and that comes across and got to shoot it. It's an LCD TV. And will not work because I need a standard, well, an old-fashioned TV. So it will not work at all. So it's a nostalgic thing. We've got the target. Is that 2-player target? Or yeah, it's 2-player. Kind of goes, when I'm on between there, goes back to football. So it's obviously shorting out the chip. There's a third player there. Ooh, that's cheating. Wonder if I can get... No. I'll go through everything. Okay, right, well, there you go. It actually works perfectly. So let's get you back on there and do me sign off. So, yeah. But there's not much on design-wise on these. They're all virtually exactly the same. Just a little bit extra gubbins on there, like the controllers. They're exactly the same with the turning. No serve button, but you'd use these to serve anyway. But it's just a variational thing with all these, and I just absolutely love them. They're a good nostalgic thing to have. Looking back towards, yeah, years and years ago, before we had too much gaming. If that is actually a thing. So anyway, thanks for watching. And I've lost my board. There we go. I'm going to move around in here anyway, but I lost my board. But thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Like, subscribe if you did. If you didn't, leave a comment. Yeah, I'm talking myself out in a deal here. But I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.